Hello everyone, welcome to another update. I'm trying something slightly different and releasing a series of short videos. That way there isn't too much information to absorb in one go, essentially giving bite-sized chunks of economic data and a brief commentary on each. Hopefully that works better than one long video. In this one, I want to talk a little bit about the ISM Services PMI. First of all, the market was expecting a read of 51 here. It had previously been 50.3, so the market was anticipating a slight improvement. June surprised with 53.9. We also saw business activity increase 7.7% on a month-over-month basis. New orders also rose 2.6% from May's reading to 55.5. Supplier deliveries registered a marginal decline to 47.6, and the price index was down 2.1% to 54.1. Inventories expanded in June with a read of 55.9, but slowed from May's 58.3. This might all sound a bit confusing, so let me briefly explain what some of these are. First of all, what is business activity? When a business is surveyed, one of the questions asked is whether the business has seen higher or lower activity when compared to the previous month. That is, has there been a change in the amount of consulting with clients? Has there been an increase in advertising or marketing, and so on? Higher activity signals the business is potentially expanding, hiring, and or investing. So in this report, we can see that business activity has increased by 7.7%. New orders. This is a measure of orders or contracts, in this case for services that the company is seeing and is a sign of demand. In this case, new orders are expanding with a reading of 55.5. Remember, a reading above 50 indicates expansion. Supplier deliveries is a measure of how fast suppliers are able to deliver raw materials or services to businesses. The quicker a business can acquire the materials or services it requires, the quicker it can service its clients. So this report showed marginal change, registering a slight decline. The price index is an important one. It measures the prices paid by businesses for those materials or services and is a major cause of inflation, as businesses will typically increase the cost of their products or services if they are able to do so. So it's good to see the price index fall a little in this report when compared to the prior read, but it still remains at 54.1, indicating expansion. So this read is a bit mixed. Inventories. This measures the level of inventories held by businesses. The inventories read in the ISM Services PMI Report reflects the inventory levels of finished goods, work in progress, or raw materials that companies in the services sector have on hand. It is an important metric because inventory levels can indicate overall economic activity and the future production plans of businesses. June's report showed a slight slowdown. In terms of industry specifics, 15 industries reported growth in June, including accommodation and food services, arts, entertainment and recreation, real estate, rental and leasing, and others. However, 3 industries reported a decrease: agriculture, forestry, fishing and hunting, mining, and information. The report included comments from respondents across various industries. Many noted an uptick in business activity, new orders, and employment. However, there were concerns about inflation and the future economic outlook. Some industries, such as agriculture, forestry, fishing, and hunting, reported stabilizing inflation rates, which have disrupted pricing for services and rent over the past 2 years. That's all for this one. If you want to catch future market updates, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. This video was made using Descript and their overdub feature, using Lyrebird AI to clone my voice. I use this when I can't record, using my real voice. If you want to give it a go, try the link in the description.